Frame house by OFIS architects in Ljubljana, Slovenia. The house is located in the suburbs near Ljubljana city center, surrounded mostly by single houses and a busy road. Clients asked for a 3-bedroom house not exceeding 200 square meters and would contain a large living and guest bedroom/study. They also asked for a carport, bike, and garden storage next to the entry. Since there was an existing old garden on the plot, the house is located in a way that would keep most of the existing lawn and trees but also have a paved area by the entrance where kids could play or roller skate. The covered carport became the main feature of the project, creating a sort of canopy that highlights the main entrance to the house. Functionally, this is an area that protects the cars but also represents a playground where kids can play in bad weather. A tree was planted under the canopy as an accent of the entrance area. Visually, canopy, storage, and house create a united volume with uniform skin that is assembled with red brick tiles that cover vertical and inclined planes, and create a perforated lace structure in front of service rooms. The enclosed facade and canopy also make acoustic isolation from the busy road and intimacy to the interior of the house. The garden facade as the opposite is flat and simple with large shaded windows that allow the southern sun to enter the interior. Large windows connect the interior with the garden. Interior of the house is simple and functional. Spaces are optimized and offer many rooms and services inside a small area. Some areas combine double functions, such as stairs that also create bookshelves. Study room has a folded king-size bed that functions as a guest bedroom.